3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm recording right now. We'll edit that out.
Good morning, everybody! Today's the day. Today's the day. I can't believe it after all these years, but today's the day to say goodbye to the Sunday Going to Meetin vehicle. I think I'd feel real nice about it if everybody could just take a moment of silence as we remember all of the wonderful, wonderful memories we have with this beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery. Please join me. Thank you for that. So, yep, she's off to the scrapyard today. The old lady, she has no idea because she's got an unhealthy attachment to this vehicle, so we have to sneak in here when she's not here to take care of this beast. But hopefully she's all right with that because she doesn't have a choice. I wonder if I can get out of here gracefully. I don't think so. One more thing I wanted to do. Here we go. I made up this sign. R.I.P. There we go. R.I.P. old van. We salute you.